some more bit nasty.
Yeah. This bitch wrong. And we change the color.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a 6 seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weekly.
Young boy,
So I plugged up a little 4S battery, but the problem is we need to glue tires. Tires coming out. See that? Tire coming out of the rim. So we gotta glue these tires. I'm gonna try those black tires on there first. I don't know if I have tire glue. If you want to go forward drive again, we can. It's up to you. But that two-wheel drive, you know you're gonna get different driving mobility. But we got that copper head running on the 4S pack. You gotta provide your own battery because I use these. Got that motor, steering, everything right. Everything right, baby. Coming together. On the lights in there. I'm gonna need to put some glue in it though. But on the lights in there, I curl up the wire right there. Got it nice and clean, bro. Nice and clean. A few more touching up. 1900 kV motor with the copper head. Yeah, see? I like how this curl on the wire shit is. Shit dope. But it's coming together, bro. I'm gonna try them black wheels on there, see if they're glued. If not, I'm gonna glue these. Gotta find something though. Yeah. This bitch wrong. And we change the color again. I'm finna do it. This motherfucker wrong. This motherfucker wrong, bro. Fast and the motherfucking furious. These ones are glued. Check them. So try to run those. I think it's gonna be dope, bro. I'll put them on tomorrow. Man, this bitch nasty. Ooh, we almost there. It's almost there, bro.